Hello, everybody. Today, I will introduce to you one of our mountain tripod series, wheeled excavator. The width of this model is 1.58 meters, lifting height up to 3.5 meters. The depth meters are for National 2 and National 4 systems can be installed and customized. This car is a National 4 emission standard. At the same time, you can choose the Kubota engine, luxury in-car cab, electronic throttle. We're a small fan, wide field of vision. In this case, when it is suitable for working conditions, the field of view is wider. This car adapts to the working conditions: earthwork, municipal grading, pipeline excavation. There is no problem with the garden work. If you have a boss who likes this car, you can find out.